Protests erupted in Manipur today as Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc) organized a major rally demanding immediate resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on moral grounds following ongoing examination irregularities. Marching from the Congress Bhavan in Imphal to the Lok Bhavan, demonstrators voiced strong resentment over the recent detention of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi by Delhi police during a student-led agitation in the national capital. Mpcc condemned the police crackdown and called for urgent safeguards to protect the future of the nation's youth. Following the rally, a high-level Congress delegation led by former Chief Minister and Mpcc President Okram Ibobi met with Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bala at the Lok Bhavan to hand over a formal 4-point memorandum. The submission highlighted main demands including swift resignation of Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, decisive parliamentary resolution ensuring standardized examination procedures. The demand also included immediate withdrawal of all FIRs filed against student protesters in Delhi and concrete measures under a safe Manipur charter to restore normalcy and protect lives across the state.
Manipuri ma Manipuri ma Khata ki punchi Rahul Gandhi Bhavan Dharmendra Pradhan
Democracy satpalay pa amada ngarang chau khraba Lok Sabha gi opposition leader mabu si Rahul Gandhi ji da tawkiba manner moina detail tawga pung kaya thamkiba adusu Rahul ji gi demand si atai na tieba need ki question leak oi bise masigi responsibility oiba daita lobham thokba Union Education Minister se should be resign immediately on moral ground da karigino haibabu India da youth sing particularly chhatra sing students sing se moi ki future laitre any type of examination se clearly yamna clean noina tawbiba masi khapta laire da masi su loina ba thingjel lakna business ki type ta chathare e shima haiba shape students haibadi India ki future kan ba haibane ba si Rahul ji na haridi